Hey guys, welcome back to another banger video. You know, it's your girl Romo. Woo-hoo. So today I'm heading to Bad Fountain with my girl. Well, next one she gonna to the car, gonna the supermarket. But yeah, we're heading to Bad Fountain. If you get look at massage and stuff, I want to show you guys the journey and also tell you guys about the experience. You should check it out as well. Once it is that, you know, I tell you guys how it go, all of that. I think it's like 2 hours and 45 minutes from where I live for. So, you know, it's a good drive. It's like a St. Elizabeth drive. But stay tuned for more, guys. Remember to check out my previous videos. We went to Margaritaville. That was awesome. Go ahead and check out the what do you call it now? The tubing that we did. It's right at Margaritaville. They can do the tubing. The guys are there. We paid a 2.5, either 2.5 or 3.5 per person, and then give you a couple laps on the sea. So go ahead and check out my previous videos. And just stay tuned for more. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. So stay tuned. Guys, when I can see the soup, we'll get a yellows. Wait there. I don't think they can see the soup. Wait, I'm going to go back, sir. Maybe when I can see the soup, I'm going to taste it and say it tastes. It tastes nice, it's true. It tastes good. Rich and nice. So we're in yellows right now. You guys are going to Bad Fountain or plan to go to Bad Fountain, then you can stop and get the soup at the soup man. In the nearest by it's a torpedo loan. No well near, but yeah. We should have asked the man for his name, you know. So I could have come ask him for his name. But
I'm the right across from Kerry G's spot.
yeah. From Kerry
G's spot.
Right across from Kerry G's spot. Yeah, that's where the soup is. And them pot clean, and we look on them something there. And them look clean too. So it's a clean pot of soup this.
And he washed his hand.
Right, you wash him hand before himself. I let them something, you know, some look out for them something there. I let me talk about a while ago. So I don't normally buy from people with the on the road. But you see, based on how you carry yourself and I don't see no fly around in pot. You know what I'm going there? The type of dumpling or kind of dumpling?
The son really not eat chicken food?
No, she don't eat chicken food. Yes, what kind of dumpling? Oh, wheat dumpling. The man I give wheat dumpling, healthy living. But we look on them something there. It tastes good for sure. I like it. Because peas in it and pumpkin. Pumpkin and peas. So you know, just check him out and support. You know, if you support we vendors them, because I them live off. So hey guys, I don't want to really show no whole heap of drive on road and whatever. I want to talk in my video because I'm getting some feedback that I'm not talking a lot. So I'm not showing no road and playing no music to them. So I just want to stay tuned. All the chicken foot then clean and nice. So, how much is soup? 350?
Yeah.
350 for that size here.
I thought you said you didn't want that size.
I don't want it, but then I tell the man want soup and I say, share the soup, so I do. Make it look cheap. You have to take a soup. And I can't waste, because when you get stripe me when I don't get the excess rub that we going to get, I don't want it. But yeah, I like that soup. Yeah. Finally here, guys. Oh my god. Finally reach. The place scary. No lies and it's far. But we are here. It's scary for true. The road narrow. If we come up here and about 3 hours drive. Which one my soup there? Pass me soup there, Sana. Finally there, guys. Finally reach. Eh? Thanks. Alright. Look close on us. Look close. Alright. Eh? Yeah. Finally reach, guys. Shit in the road scary. But we had a we reached out to someone on Instagram. Somebody doing a lock? Oh, so now you're sitting there, come here with all the care now, look.
You sure you want to capture everything for your phone like this? This Facebook side, you see a camera just.
Oh, me gonna cut it out, man. Me gonna crap out anything or enough in there. Yeah? No wait for me, though.
Oh, that's the hotel.
Oh, this is Bad Fountain Hotel and Spa. Hey, the road far, man. Do it for the love and I do it for the likes. Whoa. Sana, you don't want no money? You'll lose your money. How much money this? 20,000. My God. Right now she'll lose money. Hi, morning. Exactly. Alright guys, so we're finally here. Going up the staircase. Oi, big body son out of the way. Exactly. Alright, thanks. No, sir. Like the water comes from out of the fountain. Country life. You know what I want any there about, Masha?
What's the name again? Ma?
I say yes, Steve. Me bombat. Wait, look on the road, guys. Watch it. This is like a step them with a stone. I hope I don't drop. Alright, so let me show you guys. This is the Bad Fountain Hotel. So if you don't want to go home the same day, I guess I can book a room there.
Okay. How far?
Mr. The road's here. And what? I'm a facial. Road steep, guys. I'm not gonna lie. But it's an adventure. It's an adventure. Let me show you the hotel. Hotel. So let me clean the hotel there. Bad Fountain Hotel. And a luxury and a 5-star hotel. It want, yeah, it clean though. It want look like a you know, like a small. Wait then. Parushi?
Yeah, what heard you?
Okay. Okay. One machine. No, some of breathe heavy. Then the most robot people like when they don't them over every walking here. So we can drink water from right here, so then it's supposed to well nice. Yeah? Supposed to well cool and nice. Treat?
Yeah.
What a treat?
The ferment oil and the sulfur free.
Oh, how much for that?
I don't know what you can do. I was trying some. No, we meat. 3.5.
Oh. No, she said, oh, yeah, but you sell some of them.
No, man, we were up here, man.
Oh, but we have someone. That's the reason.
Oh,
why.
yeah. Yeah, man. All right, thank you. One thing with upgrade, so, you know, guys, everybody are hustler. No one to Marsha. I take off my slippers. My slippers pop out. Alright guys, so time for the healing. It's hot. Yes girl, breathe. Breathe. This is Marsha taking her first healing. The cleanser. Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to do that. Take, open this here. Where your password again? Oh. Just take our picture. Take our picture. Yes. This is what the feeling looks like. You feel nice? That's good. Take some time to heal. Because the hot water will eventually get. The hot water will eventually get cold. No, sir. Yeah, because I must say the hot water will come off of the rock, you know. The hot water will come off of the rock. Guys, I'm gonna get some sulfur on my body right now. Sister did I get her sulfur on. Marsha, then put her down for one marinate like a chicken. So right now I'm on the sulfur on Sana. I'm gonna get my sulfur, so just hold on. Y'all body up! Oh, exfoliating my skin. So man, give me a bigger skin. Show me. Exfoliating the skin. Look at good body, Sana. Yeah. Good. Good. The water here. Hot. And this, extremely cold. But this is super hot though. Huh? Yeah. None of them want to put my skin, for my face. Because my face is so 100. But guys, this is a very good experience. It's very far though. Just to let you guys know, it's quite a recommend from Kingston. It's extremely far, but you won't regret it. Still, this is the top of the fountain, guys. I have this fall right here. The water is coming out of the rocks. And I believe it's hot water as well, if I'm not mistaken. Coming out of the rocks. Yeah. Coming out of the rocks. Mother Nature. How beautiful. Mother Nature. Yeah, so this is the top of the fountain. Yeah. Top of the fountain. I think it's hot water this time. It's still gonna need. I'm going to take long for dry, but you can't wait.
You don't want to get rid of the
Oh, put it back on the sprinklers.
You want 200?
No, hot water. With the sprinkler. Right. You want to make yourself? Go on. Let me pull up my bun. Let me pull up my bun. It's hot now. Yeah, girl, go on and eat it. Wash off the parasite, them. Go on and eat it, friend. And if you want, we're going to eat this full 100. No, son. But if you want, we're going to eat it full 100, though. Come, son, come. Right. You want to be your son? Go on. Right. You want to be your son? Come watch out. Something. Come wash off your skin. My favorite belief, sir. This is natural water. Hot, sir? You sure they never eat out there, sir?
No, man.
You sure?
Go over 400 videos
Me
from
too, man.
1609.
Hey, girl. Ah! But for you to believe, sir, the water here, not have something up there, sir, eat it up. It's hot.
From 1609 over 400 videos.
Yeah. You said the water make me look like me nasty. I'm not afraid of water.
Come from.
It's not working. Guys, the water hot. Like they can't stand up underneath the water. But fail to believe, sir, they never eat it up in the rocks there. Because it's hot. You see the steam will come up, man? You could just bear it and know that this will come here fast. Don't it? I'm going to laugh about me. Just notice, I did to come in. Just endure. Just endure. You move around. Salam! Wait, make the water cool first. It feels so good. It's hot but nice. It's hot but it's like it's so hot and nice. Alright. Guys, the water hot. But guess what? I'm gonna set the hot on. You know what? Come outside. Feel nice. But it's what is supposed to Jamaica, I see you. No. That's why water hot this can make tea. Me not, guys, I'm not exaggerating. Is it all the water hot? This can make a cup of Milo tea. No. Yeah? Steam. You want to stare at this one. Steam out a little. Woo! You should come! You should! What could be stuff? Go. Yeah. You go tell me go. Hey. What is it? Hey. Now we got it. You see me look nice? I literally look cute now. I look cute. Because the hot water. Everybody loves my hair. If you want the hair to be done, you can hit me up on Instagram and I'll sort you out. And this is going from December. From December I'm having a hair, people. I'm gonna do it myself, yeah. So from December I'm having it, I wash it and refresh it. So you know, good girl. Good girl have to wash her hair and keep her hair clean.
A vlog?
Yeah, a vlog. It's Romo. ITZROMO _ It's Romo. It's ITZROMO _ So like it's, but if you take off this S and put the Z. Romo, yeah. Huh? To what? Too nice? The feet. Oh, wait. ITZROMO _
Oh, underscore.
Yeah. Alright, thank you, hon. Share the vlog, share the vlog. Tell it to your friends. Sanner. Me come find a little man get Sanner up here. About fountain. Oh yes, Sanner. To water. You can't change my voice so nice. This is me. You catch me off guard, man. Off guard, you catch me. Where's that, Sanner? I can't find out what husband gave you 2022. Christ. Ooh, that eh. I true, you know, that's a game. If I go find one for myself first and then we find one for she. Trouble in the world. You hear a song, sir? So much trouble in the world.
You're next?
Yes, I'm next.
Yes, that's service.
I remember now. I will give me a number and I will give an email address.
Hot tool, hot.
So I can just send in the. Please. Listen, if you're not doing it for me, remember that I told you that I have 2 kids. And they need to eat.
Yeah. For the sake of the kids. Ignore him. Him can't go there. No, not the kids and stuff. No, I say ignore you. I not for you, are the kids.
But I will work.
I still just for your bed.
And I love work, you know. Money me love. Because my kids are going to need it. I want my son to go to college. I want my daughter to reach 8.
What do you feel like? You feel like I'm sleep yourself? Oh. God. Relaxation from a stressful week at work. You know, meditation.
Just send the link. So,
Meditation. Okay.
nobody said okay, we just okay. I feel it. I feel myself moving through that
Come,
first.
Sana, I don't have any pictures.
You know?
Yeah, go on and take our picture
Let me
then.
know. Go get promotion.
So you-
work floor.
Is there a predator? You're fucking today! Sana. Give me the road. The water!
Come over here, sir.
Grandma? You asleep?
You see my face already?
Steam my face? No, let me steam it.
I put the towel over him.
Ah,
Over him.
bomba. Hey, sleep back in your fan.
Yeah.
Sleep.
You have nobody with
Guys, I just done my massage. All oily and such. Yes. Looking like a beauty. I can get some of the clay for my face, right? I can put on some on it. But I wonder if it'll go alright for my face. Because my face will break out, you know. I didn't want it, but then again, I think that maybe the thing on the pan it, maybe it needs some clay. Yes. Marsha said she call over this one. And she find something in her bag of eat. You couldn't offer me some of where I eat. Give me a piece of chocolate. No, anything would I take. So hungry I strike me. Guys!
Hungry strikes.
Come. Boy, boy, hungry strike.
I'm a bird feeder, because all the time in your life I get bird feed.
Cause she not sentimental. She not
Romani,
so loving me.
you're worse.
Yeah, me not loving it about. You said all the time in my life I bird feeding. Can you imagine?
Come.
That's it. Hungry strike. But if you get one coconut, come.
And the coconut shell, but I eat.
So we hungry the coconut. We take our teeth. Martha, we just use my teeth right now and peel the coconut. Right now, I use my teeth peel the coconut when I'm hungry. Therapeutic. Good for the mind, good for relaxation. You know? You don't gotta think about any of your problems when you're doing this. Just think about, you know, how great life is. Right? Just think about how, you know, how awesome life is. And Mother Nature. Forget all your problems, your stress. Literally, literally. Alright guys, so this is it for the bad. It not drop. It in a what did that girl name man? She think me an amateur? You don't have no faith in a stick? But but guys, this is it from the band. Right, it was me not lie. Me enjoy myself. You don't know me love enjoy myself. But this was actually a very relaxing. Huh? What will I change? May I just draw my dress? And draw my, yeah. This is it from the back, guys. Until next time, you know, peace out. Remember to check out, before I say peace out, like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Okay, yes, take care, yeah. And remember to check out. Oh. Remember to check out the description for Jatrusha, Prussia. That's what I get it right? Prussia. Okay, so you put a P before Russia. Says Jatrusha, Prussia is the. Oh, thanks. Me want wash off my foot first. Can't come as a boom. Let me wash off my foot. Oh, so one phone not better. Remember to check out. He's very professional, guys, and just remember to check him out. See me right here, so too. Next time we come, we want a whole gang. So right here, so me wash off my foot. Wait, put it on, go. Put it on. Yeah, you know me there thirsty.
Drink some.
Yeah, I drink some of it. I best water them, chlorine water we drink no good for we. Best water this, guys. But until next time, peace out.